Instructions on how to use an external pump with Hilman Deluxe Toe Jacks, HTJ10D and HTJ25D. Step 1. 3 components are needed for this process: the toe jack, the pump, and the hose. Note: make sure the pump being used can be pressure regulated to a maximum of 7540 psi or 520 bars. Step 2. Connect one end of the hose to the pump and the other end to the toe jack, if not already connected. Ensure everything is secured and tightened properly. Step 3. Turn the black handle on the pump to T, then locate the valve on the toe jack. Step 4. Close the valve by rotating it clockwise. Step 5. Push the oil screw cap down prior to turning on the pump to avoid any oil coming out. Note: it only gets pushed down when a pump is being used to operate the toe jack. Operating the toe jack manually with built-in pump handles requires the oil screw cap to be in the up position. Step 6. Set the pump to A, then press and hold the trigger to turn it on to lift the toe jack. Release the trigger once desired jack height or max stroke is achieved. Step 7. To bring the toe jack down, slowly turn the pump handle to T position. The ram will go down by itself with the load being on top. Note: do not open the valve on the toe jack, the black knob, until the load is fully retracted. Otherwise, excess oil may cause the toe jack to malfunction. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team at sales@hilmanrollers.com.
And remember, if it's heavy and you're moving it on concrete or track, Hilman has a solution for you. To explore Hilman's entire portfolio, please go to hilmanrollers.com or scan the QR codes below. Be sure to check out our social media content.